Hey Ava, you're supposed to put the bread in the hummus to eat it, not just eat it straight. Yeah, like that.
Shame. It's shame.
You just like it on your hand? It's better?
More.
More? There's more there.
Juice.
You want juice? Okay. Why don't you give Ernie some tea?
Bah.
Oh, you're gonna give him some hummus? Ugh, that's gross.
Mama.
That's not Elmo. That's Ernie.